One quiet morning, Pecky the Woodpecker stood by the river, watching the water shimmer below. Curious and brave, he hopped down and slipped into the cool stream, paddling gently with his wings. Fish darted past him as Pecky swam carefully, eyes focused and beak ready. Suddenly, he spotted the perfect moment. With a quick dip, Pecky caught a fish and swam back to shore. Resting by the river, Pecky felt proud, calm, and happy after his peaceful swim.